What if every time you used your crypto wallet, it actually paid you? Everything shared on this video is for educational purposes only. Introducing the first crypto wallet that is actually paying you, and they are right now in their pre-sale phase, Cold Wallet. This isn't a concept or a test net. You can download and use it today. With this wallet, you can swap tokens, send crypto, and get USDT in rewards instantly. And they have privacy first. When you use Cold Wallet, it hides your IP, blocks triggers, and also keep your keys secured. They've already gathered $6 million in their pre-sale phase, and you can get their token CWT at the price of 0.01058. And it's selling fast. Now, as you can see here, the concept of Cold Wallet is crypto fees have ruled enough this industry. They are flipping the script by rewarding you with every transaction you make. We are talking about a non-custodial by design wallet, multi-chain in one wallet. You can buy, sell, swap, everything seamless, and you can earn USDT as you go. Now, the CWT token is on the pre-sale, and it's the token that is powering the upcoming cashback system. Now, the pre-sale is live. You can grab tokens early to a higher cashback tiers later. And you don't need to stake your tokens. You can just hold them and earn from them. And as we said, they have security first. How do they do that? They have time-locked transactions, biometric authentication, two-factor authentication, multi-sig transactions, and a wallet lockdown. All of these with the purpose to keep your money safe and secure. Cold Wallet has already been featured and is already working with some of the biggest projects in the Web3 field. And we are talking about Binance, Trust, Tether, Chainlink, and many other big projects in the industry. Another really cool thing about Cold Wallet is that they have a referral program, but this one actually pays you. When you refer a friend, you get 20% in CWT, and they get a 10% plus in CWT. So you get rewarded and they get rewarded. Also, the rewards come from a dedicated pool, not public token supply. And it's already active, and you can cash out USDT once you hit even $5. And as we said, they offer multi-chain and easy-to-use features. They support already Ethereum network, BNB, Polygon, and many more to come. And you don't need tech skills to use it. It's open and go crypto, and it's designed for everyone from crypto veterans to total beginners. And you can join the pre-sale today by just clicking the link down in the description. Another great feature by holding CWT is a governance-ready token, which means you have a say in the future developments of this project. Diamond tier users will earn even up to 100% cashback on the gas fees, and the referral and usage rewards mean you're paid to participate, not just hold the token. And you can join and get CWT right now in the cheapest price you will ever find it. Just click the link down in the description. If you ever complained about gas fees or wallets spying on you, this is your chance to flip the system. Download Cold Wallet today by clicking the link down in the description, grab your CWT in the pre-sale, and start earning back every time you use crypto. Thank you so much for staying until the end of the video. Don't forget also to click the like and subscribe button and comment us any questions that you may have, and we will answer them for you. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.